And Dimitri, whenever you are ready, you may take it away.
Yeah. So we're ready. So let me share the screen, and we're ready with Ivan to start this demo session. Do you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So I will start, and Ivan will help me with different features that we're going to discuss. So actually, we have prepared the short presentation, but we will not focus on it here. So our main point is to present you the ecosystem of Zoho. So what is Zoho? Zoho is basically the suite of business applications to run entire business. So and Zoho has different variants to handle this to manage it. So there are variants of using Zoho as so let me start from the big picture. So the big picture is the Zoho is an operating system for the business. So Zoho started from small applications. So the main application probably was almost the first one was the Zoho CRM, and they started to ship different applications that help businesses to operate business. And right now, Zoho delivers the full suite of applications that handles all the processes. So there are more than thousands of businesses using these applications. And what is Zoho One? Zoho One is a suite of applications that helps to handle the business. It's kind of an operating system for the business. It helps with the sales. There are such applications like CRM, booking, sales, CRM application for booking meetings, online chat system. So applications for the marketing, so applications for automating different email marketing features, different email campaigns, lead nurturing campaigns, tools that help to create different forms, tools for operating for the social applications, different tools for loyalty programs. So for the service, Zoho offers the support applications to handle with different tickets and feedback from the customers, and also different applications to provide online assistance. Also, there are suites for the finance models, so such as books to handle different finance operations, for invoicing application for recording expenses, online checkout for providing for collecting money online, just providing the form to enter the card details and getting money. Billing application, so that's suitable for companies that are offering recurring services, so especially for SaaS services or different ongoing services. Payroll application for handle the payments for the team. HR. So the next department, I'm going with just the overview of the departments and the value in the case of different applications that Zoho could provide. So for HR suite, Zoho offers the special portal to handle all the employees, managing employees, their talents, their skills, information about them, about different things. So that's the employee portal. Another app is the recruiting. So recruits helps for all the processes for hiring new people. It's like a CRM, but not for clients, acquiring clients, but for acquiring new people for the company. So all the processes are inside of this app, and that's the really huge application that handles these processes. According to the operations, Zoho One suite offers different project management applications. For example, Zoho Projects, that's the classical project management tool, or if you are offering different development services, you could use sprints. That's a kind of another project management tool, but in the kind of agile management of the tasks in the sprints. It's better for developing software and different applications and other things. Inventory, it's suitable for tracking different inventory things, tracking warehouses, different items. For example, if company sells products using drop shipment model, so in inventory you could track all these things such as purchase orders, sales orders, billings, bills, invoices, and all other things. Also the shipping services, tracking their delivery, and all these things. So, and according to the e-commerce, you could build your website, you could launch your online store and connect different tools like PageSense. So it helps to provide A/B testing and interact with the customers, track their behavior on the website, and provide analytics for the entrepreneur. So as you see, so Zoho One offers all the applications that are suitable for almost all departments on business. So if you're probably thinking about if Zoho for you or not, I'm definitely say you that Zoho is absolutely for you. So we have just to identify what processes do you have in your business, what departments are you have, what employees, and what processes are you using. So this is the overview of all these applications. So let's move next level. So if, for example, you do not need all these applications, and you're in need, for example, right now, just in customer-centric operations, you need Zoho have another suite of applications. So this is the CRM Plus, CRM Plus. So CRM Plus is the suite of applications that are focused for the customer interactions with the customers. So let me explain a little bit what is it. So in the center, we put our customer, potential customer, and we connect all the applications in the Zoho. So actually, I have told about them a little bit earlier, and how they interact with these customers. So Zoho CRM Plus offers the main applications for sure. This is the customer relationship system. This is the CRM, and it connects all these other applications such as live chat. So this is the tool that helps to interact on the website. Social marketing. So these tools help to deliver content to social channels and communicate in direct messages. It helps. You could also connect the help desk tool. So that's the tool for tracking all the customer tickets and providing the feedback. Marketing automation, that's the tool for launching different marketing tools. Project management, so that's the classical tool for managing projects for the customers. So you could just add, for example, as a company, you sell a project, you have the deal, you just collected money, and you create the project right inside the CRM, and you invite your clients to this project, and you together operate on this project. So that's very suitable for different agencies and companies who deliver services. Events, that's the custom application that helps you to handle online and offline events. For example, if you're hosting, I don't know, online conference, you invite people there, you sell tickets, you provide broadcasting there, and you interact with your client, your attendees in the chat. So customer service, so that's very customizable tool that helps you provide almost really really customizable service survey. So you could redirect from that survey to any other page. You could integrate with the CRM. You could add all these responses in the PDF to your CRM tool. Well, website performance. So I already told about them. A webinar, it's the online tool for hosting your webinars. So it's the same absolutely tool as we have on the market, other webinar tools. Powerful analytics, so you could get all the information from all these applications from among the Zoho and provide the provide the reports. Team collaboration, that's the internal mobile messenger. That's the team secured mobile messenger that is connected to all these applications. So you don't need to use Telegram in your company, for example. So that's not secure because any employee could send the message to anyone. In Zoho Click, that's impossible because that's the enterprise messenger. Email marketing, so every company needs to sending email campaigns, newsletters, and other things. So email marketing is also there. Brand management, so you have to understand, you have the brand voice. You have to create content with that brand voice. This application could deliver this. So CRM Plus is the application that helps you delivers all these features. So that's not only just one CRM, that all applications here. And also for sure we have the Zoho CRM. So Zoho CRM is the standalone application that works just inside the so that's the most advanced application in Zoho for sure. And we have a lot of functionalities here, so we'll discuss a little bit later in a few minutes here. So let's discuss a little bit about pricing plans before we go deep into the features. So Zoho One pricing is almost the most so this is the most suitable, that's the most that's the best pricing. Why? Because there is all employee pricing. For example, you need to purchase licenses for all employees you have in the company. If if you have small team, that's the best fit for sure. If you have a lot of employees, so if you use this plan and all your company would use this application, you will get the most benefit because a lot of features, value that Zoho provides you. So 37 euro or dollar, depends on the region. So all these applications that I have shown you costs only $37 per employee billed annually. So if we pay monthly, that's the $45. So these are applications. So this list of all these applications already included. So you do not need to pay for these applications standalone. For example, just had a conversation with the clients, so they're asking me if it's better to use Zoho One or pay for different applications standalone. So we just made a quick calculation. So they just needed only CRM system. They just needed only Zoho Books, accounting system. They just needed inventory system and project management, and we calculated. So Zoho One is the more suitable, it's more affordable than paying in standalone applications. So if we talk about Zoho CRM Plus, so it costs 57 euro dollar bill per annually, or 67. That's a little bit higher pricing, but if you do not need these all these licenses for all your companies, so you could just purchase few of these licenses, Zoho CRM Plus, for example, your marketing sales department, and that would be really affordable as well. So also in Zoho CRM, there is pricing for flexible user pricing. So it costs 105 user per month, or 90 euro per month billed annually. So this is flexible user pricing. So you could purchase any number of license. For example, you could purchase 3 license if your company, you have big company, 10 20, 30, 40, 50 employees. So you could purchase only a few licenses for Zoho One. It would cost $90. If you need only just customer-centric applications, so 69 euro dollar per month would be the best fit. So, or you could use as well, if you do not need all these complex tools, if you do not want to connect them, you just need something simple but in one application, such as CRM. We will review the features in a few minutes. So you probably would like to purchase only Zoho CRM application. So it costs, have different plans, and costs depends on the different level of functionalities, 35 to 50 euro dollar at average. So we will discuss all these features, and later you could understand which plan would be suitable for you. So hope I explained you the difference between different levels of applications. So I hope you could understand right now that Zoho definitely could be would be best fit for you. So it depends only on the plan that we have to choose right now. So let's right now move into the Zoho CRM application. So we'll have a look right now in the overview of the Zoho CRM, and and later we will have a look of the overview of the Zoho One, how all these applications are interacted with each other. So let's have a look for the Zoho One for the CRM. So the CRM, so let's have a look. So that's basically the application that helps you track your lead. That's your potential client who is we have the opportunity for the sale, and how we interact with this lead. So on the home page, we have the dashboard with different tasks that are available, open. We see meetings, deals, leads, and other things. So these dashboards are customizable, so we could create any for this or that role in the company. So another model is the lead. So lead is actually where all things is starting. So let's show you how the sales cycle is working. and everything is starting from the lead. So we're creating lead right now manually, but it could come to the CRM from different sources, such as email, different web forms, other applications, different web hooks. If you would like to integrate your other third-party applications with CRM, so you could do it, and you will see leads right here. So CRM is really customizable. You could add any fields here. We have different type of fields, such as texts, numbers, and emails. So we could attach files, images, and other things. So everything you see here could be customized. So you just click here, add page layout, and you use your drag and drop builder to build something you would like. So you just take the field you would like to add here, for example, long integer, or I don't know, image upload, lookup field, and other things. So actually, you do not need the developer for creating forms, layouts, fields for the CRMs, and very easy to create. So I will show you how it is working. So what is the sales cycle? So we just create the lead. So you just create the last name, the name, for example. You just build the company name, number of employees. That's the mandatory field. And don't know what to say, for example, email. We just click save. Also, you could see here there is enriched data, will come a little bit later, and this feature search uses artificial intelligence and searches for information about it enriches the information from the system and could add all that information here. For example, it could find the website, annual revenue, address, and to Twitter and other things. So it would update, and all these fields were searched on the database, artificial intelligence, and added here. So maybe it's not very suitable, but just for you to understand how it is working. So we create that lead. So this lead is created. So the next stage is we need to work with that lead. So we have here in place the feature that is called Blueprint. Blueprint helps us to not be confused about this a lot of different fields, but helps manager just to be clear about what next step is needed to be done. For example, it clicks, manager clicks this button, and system tells what fields exactly we need to fill in order to move to the next stage. So we have gathered details. So next we need to next operation. For example, we need to establish contact, or we have no answer. So for example, we're establishing the contact. So we have the notes here after the conversation. So we understand the industry for this lead, and our lead information here starts to collecting. So for example, if this lead is okay, we need to start engaging here. We'll put here notes, and next we need to convert this lead. For example, we want to create deal, and during the conversion of this lead, we create new account. So this is the new record here. This is the company's list. We create new contact. So this is already not lead. This is the contact we have conversation with, and we have all the information So that's the person that we are connected and we are interested in conversation later. And we create deal here. Deal is the model about what is happening here. So we add here amount of the deal, so that, for example, for us, that's the approximate amount of the project, consulting project. So we have the first stage here for the deal, that's the qualification. We have the closing deal here. For example, we put here 1 week later, and we convert that lead to the deal. So just for you to be clear, we have the lead right now, and we converted this lead just after all the gathering all the information for the business lab. So this is the account, that's the company name, Dima Cloud, that's the contact name, and business lab, that's the deal we have. And we could move here straight to the deal. So in the deal, we have the pipeline. Pipeline is all the stages that we need to move forward this deal in order to make this deal closed one and collect money here. So that's all the things. All the notes, all the information that was collected as a lead, so is saved here, and we do not miss anything here. And now we're starting working with that lead. So for example, we need to schedule the meeting. So for that thing, we need to send an email. So we just click button. We have the integrated email here. So we could write here a message. We could write here email. So also we have a list of different templates here in place. We could add here predefined. So we have a special library for all these templates. So actually you could automate all the conversation with your deal. So the next point is you have to create a quote. So let's create one. So the quote is the information about what you are going to deliver, what product, at what price, at what quantity, and you just create it. So after creation of this quote, we have created the document here, so you could see number 1. So that's the quote. So this quote could be, we have already created the template for this quote. So this is how it's looked like. So we have logo here, information of the company, and other things. So if that quote is okay, we convert this quote to the sales order, and that sales order could be sent to the client as well as the document. So here we have the service agreement that should be signed with the customer, and the information about sales order. So if it's okay, so then we convert that to invoice, and we also could send this as for the customer for the assignment using the Zoho Sign. For example, the Zoho Sign, that's the additional application that is connected to the Zoho CRM. But if you want to automate your assignment process, you just connect this another Zoho application and use these things. You just choose the appropriate template. So you create this document. You see here the recipient who is going to receive that application, and you just send that document for the assignment. So let me show you how it is working on the another deal. So here are the signed documents. So this is a special widget. So every model in Zoho CRM could be customized with different widgets, and these widgets are we could use different applications. For example, here we use Zoho Sign, and you could see the signed document here. So here is documents. You could open it here, and all are there. So so let's come back. Sales order, and the next stage. So after we have this sales order, where is this sales order? 1 second, please. Sales order. Sales order. So we convert this sales order to invoice. So after we convert this, we have the document that customer needs to pay, and after that we just could track the money just right inside the CRM. So for example, if you do not need to track money in a special application for the accounting purposes, you could track all these things right inside the Zoho CRM. So hope it makes clear about the process, how it is working. So let me explain a little bit more other models that we have here. For example, in the deal, we have such models such as tasks, meetings, calls. So here are they. So each deal could be, in each deal, account, lead or account, we could create task, meeting, and call in order to track other things. So also we have here products. You could track all the inventory or services. So quotes, I already shown you what it is. That's the special model when we create the proposals. Sales orders is something that when customer accepts the proposal. Invoices, that's the payment document. So also we could track here vendors. That's the people we purchase things from. Also we have here cases. Cases, that's the thing that in order, for example, you have something with that deal. For example, customer is having some issues. You could just create here the case. You just click here new. That's the, for example, case we receive through the phone. Case reason is, for example, instructions not clear or complex functionality. That's high priority. Subject here. And we create, for example, that was the problem or question of feature requests. I don't know. We could choose here the service that we had, and we create that that thing. And you see that we have new case created here, and the status is new, and we could track all these things inside these models. So that's very useful. So also we have here solutions. Solutions, that's the kind of a Q&A service where we could track our questions from our customers or answers, and provide the database for the our managers just to understand how to answer or for this or that question. So that's the simple model of the tracking the interactions for the customer support. So if you need more complex things, so Zoho has a special application, that's the Zoho Desk, and there are a lot more features there. So it depends on your needs. If you need something simple, maybe Zoho CRM would be enough. If you need something more complex, you have a lot of different processes, managers, interactions, so you would definitely need Zoho Desk. So hope you understand how it is works. That's the cycle. So let's move for the next thing, for the customization in the case of the design. So by default, all these models are shown as table view. So you could see here all these records as a table. Also, you could change this view to the Kanban. In Kanban is more kind of more advanced feature. You see here, for example, stages of the deal, and you could drag and drop that deal between that stages. And also we have here, that's the new recently released feature, is the chart. So you could also see here all these deals as a chart. For example, you just click on the 9th of September and you open the list of the deals that are related to that, for example, column. Also, we have here canvas view. So canvas view is a customizable view to show all these records as a tile. So you could edit these things by clicking here on the pen icon, and you could customize the design and look how it looks. For example, you could I don't know, we click the style. For example, we change this to another color. We choose this field and we make it, for example, bigger a little bit. For example, this thing we make caps lock. We could add here different elements, icons, text, data, and all the things. So basically, you could customize look and view of all these tiles and make it better to look for this thing. Also, you could customize with the canvas the look and feel of your record page. So you just go down here, you click here, for example, create a custom record page, click here. So we have already created one, and you could for example, see the customizable view. So you just add here as in the drag and drop model necessary records and create it. So also we have here the template, a lot of templates. So you don't need to create that from scratch. You just could take it here. So let me let's create a custom record page. So here are a lot of different templates. So you just choose what's best for you, and you could use that template. So actually, you could make any look and feel of your CRM. If you don't like the standard one, and you could easily switch between different views. So let's move a little bit more under the into the settings and have a look. So for managing the Zoho CRM, you just click this gear button, and you will see here all these settings modules. So let's move, for example, at first for the channels that we have inside the CRM. So channels are the ways that we could connect with our clients, for example, email. So you could connect here email. So I have already integrated my own email here. So this is the Zoho Mail. Zoho Mail is the standalone application for in the Zoho One suite, and you just integrate it here and start using that mail inside CRM. So all the mails that are being sent from the CRM would have the emails stored in your own email application. So another thing is the telephony. So you could easily, in few minutes, connect the telephony. So you could connect the Zoho telephony system, or could choose from the marketplace. In marketplace, there are hundreds cloud-based business phone systems. Telephony marketplace, so there are a lot of vendors. You just choose what best suits for you, or you could use your inbuilt Zoho CRM system. You just buy the button, buy the number, and use it in the system. So it appears here in the bottom of your CRM. You just see here the bar or pad. You could dial number here. So and all the records, all these conversations would be stored inside the CRM. And if someone calls to you for that number, you will see that incoming numbers here as well. So, and also if you want another solution, so Zoho offers the Zoho Voice. So that's another standalone application. So you could use and connect to the Zoho CRM. So actually, as you see, I'm saying this one more time again. So if you're thinking about if Zoho suits for you, it definitely suits for you. We just need to understand the best solution for you for your business. So you have different demands, different needs. So we just need to identify, and we're as an experts, me and Ivan, so we could find the best solutions for you as for business. So let's move forward. So in the channels, so we have business messaging. So that's another channel. You just connect the WhatsApp channel, and you could have different conversations in this channel. Also, you could connect SMS tools and send different trigger messages, different workflows, notifications, and other things. Web forms. Web forms is a feature that helps you to create a form for example, collecting leads, contacts, cases, vendors, or all the things. So everything that goes to the CRM, you could create as a new record inside the CRM, or you could create, for example, new form, promote it, and collect all these things. So we see here drag and drop builder. You could add here first name, last name, don't know, email. So next, and we have all these details. So we have, we could put here the submission URL, we could different redirect settings, splash messages, and so a lot of settings that could be customized in this field. So you just create this form and start promoting it and collect all the leads. Social is the channel that helps you connect your social networks, for example, Twitter or X, and Facebook. So you could automate your lead generation. So you just need to collect these leads from I don't know why it's not opening.
I have a quick question.
Yeah.
Could you cover a little bit of the difference between this functionality in the CRM and the application Zoho Social?
Yeah, sure. So as I said, it depends on the needs that you wish to use inside the your business. For example, if you're using only Zoho Social, so you just could connect only. Just let me show you on. It's better to show you how it is working. So just opening another CRM system. So so here you connect your brand settings, and you could collect start automatically convert your activities. So in CRM, we have limited functionalities here. So you just connect Twitter and Facebook. So you could automate different rules, such as I have to log in Twitter and Facebook here. And for example, here we could create different rules. If someone, for example, likes my posts in Twitter, so I create that lead here. For example, if someone comments here, I create lead here as well. Also in CRM, we have a special field for the social. So you could find, search this or that person in the social network, and you could assign him and watch here what he's posting in the social network and other things. But if we are going to the social as a let me explain it. If we use only these social features in CRM, so that's only for just connecting with clients just inside the CRM or looking small information. If we're talking about the Zoho Social as a standalone application, so we could post here content. So we have a scheduling feature. Here we could connect not only Facebook and Twitter, we could connect here Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, other things. So we have here calendar for publishing this content. So we could connect here artificial intelligence feature, and we could generate content. So also we have messages here, so we could have conversations with your leads through your channels. So you could track all the interactions here. You could monitor all these your channels and looking for the leads and other things. So also you could collaborate with your team. So also you could use here lead forms for connecting, getting leads and pushing them to the CRM. So so in CRM we just have the limited functionalities. So just limited by here. So let me show you. You just connected in settings. So you could automate your lead generation here, and you could connect your social networks in order to search your leads in the information about this or that lead in the social networks and connect them through the leads. So basically these are all the things. Also we have here the special model, but it's also is limited here. So hope
Thank you for that. Yes.
Does it make sense? So there are a lot of features. So basically we need to create a table, compare these things, but in this simple way. So that's the amount of functionalities. So in here we have only Twitter with Facebook. There we have a lot of other social networks, and we could post the content, collaborate, and other things. Does it make sense?
Definitely. Thank you for answering.
Okay. Thank you. So we're moving forward. So we stopped on the channels. So the next point is the chat. So here is the same feature. So we in Zoho CRM we have visitor tracking. That's driven by Zoho Sales IQ. But if you use only it inside Zoho CRM, you have limited functions. If you are using it as a another application that is connected to the Zoho CRM, so you could track all your leads inside the standalone application. So there are a lot of features here. So you could have conversations, chats, knowledge base we have here, FAQs. So we have a lot of things. So we could create here different chatbots. We could connect here artificial intelligence, chat GPT, who could create the conversations here and all other things. So also we could connect here different channels such as Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and offer this conversation through this tool. In Zoho CRM, so we could either use limited functions for this visitor tracking tool and online chat, or we could connect this application and use all these features that we have here. So for you to understand how it is working, so if we go for the website, so once we land on the website, so visitor tracking sees that we have a new visitor here. So, don't know why it's not. So we see here click, and we see here this message. So system knows that's already me, Dmitry, because I was tracked through different interactions. And basically through this tool, you could track all these interactions inside your system. So also on the side in the CRM, you see here this button in the bottom right, visitors online. You see here number 1, and you see that Dima Cloud from Business Lab is here. So we have a deal associated here. So we could open it and have a look what's happening here. So this is related all accounts. When we open this contact, we also have here the special field, Zoho Sales IQ visits. And once I close this session, so it would be updated, and you will see here all these visits inside this module. Maybe it could take a little bit time, but visits. I will open it here. So you could see that, for example, this lead for example, this lead had a lot of visits. So you could see in this model, so how many pages, at what time, at what date there was a visit. So actually, you could use this information in different automation things. You could make it as a web scoring and other things. Okay, so that was about this. Let's move back for the channels. So in the side, the channels, also we have a portal. So portal is this special feature that helps users to just log in basically to your CRM system and manage their profile of their information about their contacts, about their account or vendor, and manage their records. So that's very useful. So actually, if you're looking for more advanced features, you could create kind of a own application or SaaS service when clients managing their profiles and services right inside your CRM. So that's a huge opportunity for scaling your operations. So let's move. So these are about channels. So also we have here a marketplace. So I have to mention this. So if you would like to extend your features inside your Zoho CRM, so there is a marketplace feature, and there are thousands of applications so through which you could extend the functionality of your application. So there are sales and marketing, so only more than 600 applications: sales, marketing, telephony, productivity tools, and a lot of things. So almost all most known applications are already integrated here, and you could connect them in a few clicks. Some of them are free and some of them are paid, but if they are paid, so you could use your payment account inside Zoho and pay using your only one credit card. So another thing is we need to cover is analytics. So analytics is special dashboards that you could use for different models. For example, we have here org overview. So on this dashboard, we see information about revenue, lead generation, different information about leads created, deals, sources of these leads, and other things. So that's the most overview of all your operations. So another thing is lead analytics. That's the dashboard according your information for the leads. The same as for deals, and you could customize this. So you just click here, add component, choose this type of widget you would like to see here, and you just use it. Also, here's the information about sales, sales follow-ups, and other things. Also, there are reports. So reports are more about the different table views. So actually, this is the raw data that could be used inside the Zoho CRM. So this is powered by Zoho Analytics. So here is the same thing as the standalone application in Zoho and feature inside the Zoho CRM. So we could use these reports inside Zoho CRM, and we could see all these reports regarding the information about data inside the Zoho CRM. But we could use Zoho Analytics, so that's the standalone application, and we could connect all the applications through the Zoho to Zoho Analytics and make reports based on different sources of information. So, for example, we could get information from the project management application, we add information from the Zoho sales, and understand how our business is working. So actually, if you would like to cover any information based on the data inside the Zoho, so you could do it inside the Zoho CRM in the reports model, or you could extend this functionality through the Zoho Analytics model. So let's move forward. So let's have another technical features. So how this CRM is being set up. 1 second, please. So another things, so about the customization. So in the customization, we could customize all the models we have here: leads, contacts, account, deals, and other things. So we just click here in the deals model. You just choose the layout we want to customize, and we use this drag and drop feature to add or remove any fields. Also, so the same we could do with any of these models. Also in Zoho CRM, we have different pipelines. So pipeline is the sales process through which we move our deal. So here in we have the standard one. For example, the first stage is qualification, then we need meeting, value proposition, identify decision makers. Next we have closed one deal. So here we could create different pipelines. So each pipeline we could associate to the different types of layouts of the deals, and you could actually make a lot of different things. So a lot of ideas and a lot of custom functions, custom processes that are used in the company could be built using these things. So next thing, canvas were already shown. Translations. So the CRM could be translated in different languages. So if your team is multi-languages, you could translate or the interface or the fields inside the Zoho CRM. So everything is customizable. So another things is actions. So let's move to the automation. In the automation, you could create such actions such as email notification, tasks, field updates, so webhooks. Webhooks is, for example, if you want to send the notification to third-party applications, so you just configure a webhook, you put here the URL you want to send this notification to, choose the method and choose parameters and just use it. Also, you could use functions. Functions are custom features that could be created using the language inside the Zoho. So this is Deluge language, and you could create any automation inside Zoho using several lines of codes. If you are not familiar with programming or you don't have developers, so you could use Zoho Flow. Zoho Flow is the custom apps and another application in Zoho, and could be connected to the Zoho CRM. And using the Zoho Flow, you could automate probably any process inside the Zoho. You just connect this application. So there are a lot of galleries here, so you could connect thousands of applications here, and you could use their actions, triggers to create these different things inside the Zoho. So these are the things, so how you could manage these things. So also we have here workflow rules. Workflow rules, it's the process about how we manage these actions. So we create their different rules, such as when this rule could be triggered, then we have the conditions, and we have different actions. So here are these actions like email notifications, webhooks, functions, actions by Zoho Flow. We could schedule these actions for a little bit later and other things. So these are the really basic tool for automating a lot of things. Also, we have here the blueprint. Blueprint is the next layer of automation. So that's the basically the tool that helps you design and define the process that matches your organizational policy. And you could automate different things. So let's have a look how it is working. So for example, this one is activated in our company. So we have here different states. States is the it's kind of place where the process is stays, and we have different transitions. In this transition, we have criteria before, during, and after. So we could, for example, after we could add here a lot of these automations like webhooks. We could create records, we could update fields, could create calls, meetings, tags. During, there could be things we could add here, different fields that manager should fill in, or create different applications. And before, these are the criteria that should be met before manager could click this or that button in order to move for the next stage. So we have already tested this feature. So that's the, let me show. No, that's not the case. Let me show how it is working one more time. Save. This is the button here. We just click and we see here the fields that are necessary to be filled in order to move to the next transition. So that's basically picture gather during. So here are these fields that are mandatory in order to move to the next stage. So very useful tool. If Zoho CRM could be a little bit complex in order, if you have a lot of different fields, automations, but you could make it very easy by launching this blueprint and providing the next steps and necessary fields in order to move to for the next stage. So that's the blueprint. Also, we have experience center. That's the command center. So basically, this is the similar thing, but this is more about measuring the effectiveness of different complex business processes. So and these business processes could involve different models inside Zoho CRM. So you could build the same things and you could automate them. So, for example, you could build this flow chart. So you could launch it and you could measure how it is working. You just click on the report, you see, and you understand where all your processes are. You could find the most narrow place of your process. So that's how it is working. So next feature is that I want to mention is the scoring rules. The scoring rules, that's a feature that helps you to understand which field is better and which one is not as good as another one. So we create here scoring rule, and we create here the conditions for adding or removing different points, points under which we understand the quality or value of this or that field. For example, we have created here the sample thing for the deal field. We have, if this deal has amount is more than 50 USD, we add 10 points. If the close date is today, we add here 10 points as well. And we could see this model here in deals. So if we open it here, so we could see this model here. For these. Scrolling. Scoring rules, here it is. So we see here that this deal has the positive score of 10, and we could use this information for our operations in order to prioritize this or that deal to work with. So also, so basically there are a lot of features. So let's make it a little bit quicker. So the main point you could ask, maybe you are using another system and would like to migrate to the Zoho CRM. So in that case, you could use here the import feature. So import feature could use your custom files, or you could use predefined imports from different systems. For example, if you are using Bittrex24 or using Salesforce or using Pipedrive, you just click that button, you just put here a API token, and our system makes all the rest things. They just takes all the information from the system and uploads it here. So if you have another system, so you just could click other CRM, you just click all the exported files from the system, upload it here, and make it work. So really easy. So basically that's all in the CRM that I wanted to discuss. And Zia is really a powerful artificial intelligence assistant that helps you to work with your data. So I have already shown you the data enrichment feature. So that's the first one. So it helps you, for example, to enrich information. So for example, if you just put the information about the company, email or website, the system tracks the databases on the internet or somewhere in the smart places, and they take that information and put into the CRM field. So for example, I have created this sample lead, and with this mail apple.com email, and it tracked the logo of the Apple, the website, phone number, annual revenue, and other things, the Twitter account, address, description, and other things. Very useful. So the next thing is prediction. So you could predict your different things, different data, and different fields for future outcome in your CRM. For example, system could understand so which field to fill in, so which better. So also we could predict the churn rate, so understand when customers are going to want to leave your company. Also, we have here recommendation builder, different similarities recommendation, system recommendations. So, for example, we could add here Zia score. So that's kind of automation of. So I have shown you the score for the leads and deals. So Zia could make this automatically with the use of artificial intelligence. Also, we could connect here ChatGPT and use the writing assistance. So that helps you create different emails, different descriptions, and other things. So very useful. So while we have different, Zia is an artificial assistant, intelligent assistant, but we could connect ChatGPT and make it even smarter. Also, we have here the communication features. So this feature helps us to understand best time to contact, understands the working with the email. It helps you understand the email summary, email intent, understand the voice of your customer. That's the email sentiment. Data enrichment from signature. It could scrape the data from the email and put into the necessary emails. so understand the email emotions. So a lot of features. So all they are smart and using the artificial intelligence. So you even could transcribe all your call recordings and put them in the special field. So for example, you have the call conversation. The call conversation is being transcribed here. So you could add here smart automation, for example, chat GPT prompt that helps you create, I don't know, the proposal in the format of the email, and you basically could save a lot of time by creating the proposal for your clients using this artificial intelligence feature, just by transcribing the call and creating these things. So other things, the conversational AI, that's the Zia voice. We have here the chat, and we could chat just with the artificial intelligence bot and work him with the CRM just inside the chat. For example, we click here create lead, and he asks me the fields to create the lead. What's the company? For example, Apple.
Hello, Dimitri.
Yeah.
Yes, so, sorry to cut you off, but I think we're okay on CRM for now. I do want to leave some time for you to be able to cover some of the Zoho One stuff, such as like the admin panel and the setup on there.
Sure.
We are down to the last 10 minutes, so I just wanted to be able to give you a reminder and just give you some time to be able to cover those as well.
Yeah, thank you. So let's move now I have just shown you about how Zoho CRM is working. So you just see that there are a lot of features. Maybe Zoho CRM is you just need only one Zoho CRM, but in the case you would like to use all features of Zoho, I will show you how working is Zoho One. So Zoho One is we have the special interface that have all in applications here. So you don't need to switch between different tabs in the browser. You just could click on the desk, for example, in the same browser, and all the information about the customer service is being shown here. For example, you could click here and Zoho Sales IQ is opening. So you could click here meeting, and you could create the online meeting here. So we're here right now. Let me show you how you could manage all your applications. So we have the dashboard here. In the dashboard, we have it's not this. 1 second, please. So we could manage the organizations here. That's the information about our company. We could manage all these applications here. You just, if you need to add new one application, you just click here, add one, and you click, for example, bookings. So here we create the booking account. This account is being connected to the our company, and you are just ready to use this application. So very easy. The same is with the users. You just click here, add user. You just put here first name, last name, email. Click here, and new user is here. For example, if you want to assign this or that application, you just click here the button, you choose the necessary application here, choose the role, and click done, and you now your user is assigned for this application. Very easy. So if you use different applications, especially from the different vendors, so it takes a lot of time to manage all these applications. Basically, you need a special administrator, technical, who is going to manage all these things, all the different billings, different roles, different accesses, and the average person in the company got crazy about all these things. In Zoho One, it's really simple. One login, one access, one operating system for the business. You as an owner, you could manage all these things. So you could assign administrator roles for your technical guy in your company or the consultant company. For example, if we're going to manage your company, help you with these things, you just could provide access to your account with the admin rules, and we could manage all these things for you. So really easy. So also we could create different groups here for different departments, and so also we add here domains. We provide here different verifications and other things. So also we could track here different device managements. We could provide access for this or that application. And one thing just didn't cover, so all these applications that Zoho has, they have really probably the best ones applications for the iOS and Android. So by saying the best applications, I tell you that they're been built for many years. There are hundreds of different updates there, and they're really powerful and working as a one ecosystem with different applications. So also we have here the marketplace. You could browse different applications here and add them as a different app to your Zoho One account. So basically that's all about the admin panel. So you just could switch between different applications here. So we have 5 minutes left. So let me maybe show you a few more applications. So Zoho Form. So just we have a few minutes. I will show you different applications that could be connected to the CRM and working with your workflow. So Zoho Forms. Zoho Forms provides you to create different standalone applications, just easy forms. You could embed this form to your website and move that to data to the CRM. Zoho Survey. Zoho Survey is a really customizable survey. So we could use these different custom fields here, so different steps. So we could ask different questions, depends on the level, depends on the questions that are being answered. For example, let me show you this one. For example, this one. So we choose country here, we choose this or that. For example, if we choose this one, questions, we see these questions here. If we answer another questions, we will see here the other one. So for example, after we submit, so we could be redirected to our another application that's the Zoho Bookings. That helps us to create our booking pages for scheduling the meeting with our consultants. For example, you just need to choose the right time. You just need to choose the service you would like to have. You just click book application, fill in the form, and you have already created the meeting, the time slot, the meeting room, and everything. All parties would be notified. All the things could be connected with third-party apps. For example, this one meeting is being synced with the Zoho CRM. This survey is being synced with Zoho CRM as well. also, if you would like to share this information with, for example, your partners, you could share this information through the Zoho Sheet or Google Sheet or other things. So basically, it could you could at first you could see this ecosystem a little bit complex, but if you're working with someone who is really understands how it is working, has a lot of different use cases, so this provider could help you with providing you the best features and solutions for your processes and business needs. So hope you liked our presentation. So we're ready for jump for another call in order to help you with your customized needs. So kindly provide a little bit more information about your needs, and we will help you. We'll create the discovery session and help you find the right solutions, right features, and provide the best Zoho apps suite for your business needs. So thank you very much for your time. If you have any questions, so we're ready to answer.
No questions on my end. Thank you for your time, Dimitri, and the presentation. Thank you, Ivan. Amber, do you have any questions?
Oh, sorry. No questions from me.
Okay.
Very thorough.
Thank you. Thank you very much. So
Thank
we'll
you.
waiting for your response after you have a conversation with you.
What'll happen now is we'll take this, it'll be reviewed, right? And then do give us a couple of days since it is tomorrow's Friday, right? And then we'll go into the weekend. So generally it takes a couple of days, but if you don't hear back from me midweek, definitely by the end of next week, if they want to move forward or not. And then once we get to a decision, I'll reach out for next steps on that. Okay.
Sure, absolutely. Take your time. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Dimitri. Thank you, Ivan. Thank you, Amber. You all have a great day.
You as well.
Bye-bye.